Okay, this is a pretty short and sweet course. Thanks for taking the Generative AI course for creators. It's also a rapidly changing landscape, but I wanted to get this content out to you so you can have the first opportunity to play around and get the cutting edge. Some of the implications of this technology is, I think it may disrupt a lot of the creative industries. I've already heard from a friend that a lot of people that are doing graphical designs or concept work may be at competition with AI. That's the unfortunate part of this. It's inevitable that this technology is only become more popular. You can only keep it in wraps for only so long. So my stance on this is to just try to embrace it and leverage it as best as you can. With Adobe now entering the space, they have the resources and the reach with their existing ecosystem, for example, Premiere Pro, to be able to do things like generate stock video images, for example. I understand that a lot of their AI has been trained on their existing Adobe stock library. You also have the ability to generate text, graphical text assets, as well as images and a whole lot more. So it's going to get really interesting to see how a company like Adobe integrates their creative generative AI into their products. On the other side, we've already seen OpenAI's technology trickling down into Microsoft software, for example, Copilot, that's going to allow corporate companies to roll out technology to their employees. They'll be able to use technologies like Copilot to generate blog posts, emails, reports, using the power of AI to assist them. Now, when it comes to programs like VoiceFi, Sample.com, these are fun to use and also very useful to generate your own original music using templates and platforms. Unfortunately, this area may also be disruptive to music artists, but maybe there's going to be a future of smaller companies that can compete with the larger companies because these technologies level the playing field. You don't need a large team to generate a lot of creative assets, creative images, music, videos to ultimately create creative production, a short movie. So it'll be interesting to see what comes out in the next few years. I'm going to try my best to keep this course up to date. I expect a lot of changes, but I think you've got the fundamentals with some of the core platforms that you can use to get started. Thanks a lot for taking the course, and I'll see you again online somewhere.